Hey guys, this is Blossom Becca GH and you're welcome back to my channel. Here is my 5 minutes tasty chicken noodle stir fry. Let me show you how I did it. Now the ingredients: 2 medium-sized noodles, 1 egg, some salt, chicken, blended garlic, ginger and onions, chopped carrots, green pepper and scallions, chicken spice, powdered pepper, chopped onions, soy sauce and some chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. Now add the blended garlic, ginger and onions. Then add the salt and the chicken spice. Now add the soy sauce. Stir very well for everything to incorporate. Now on fire, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add the egg to it. Now stir for the egg to be scrambled. After that, take the egg off the fire. Now add the chicken to the oil. Then stir very well. Now take it off fire and add the scrambled eggs. Now add the chicken back to the scrambled eggs and stir. Now add the chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. Add the chopped onions too. Now add the chopped green pepper, carrots and scallions and stir. Now add the cooked noodles to it and stir. Sorry guys, I cooked my noodles off camera because this method is a very quick one. Very quick method. I hope you are not bored. Now add the powdered pepper. Now stir everything very well. Now the noodles is ready. You can serve very hot or at any temperature you want. So guys, doesn't this look yummy? It is very delicious too. Guys, join me and let's enjoy this delicious and tasty chicken noodle stir fry. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate your support since day one. You've been very supportive to this channel. Thank you so much guys. And please don't forget to subscribe. Very important. Help me grow this channel. We have to hit 1K. Share this video with your friends and give me your feedback in the comment section. So guys, till the next video, it's bye.